friends, welcome back to the channel. So recently we were talking about TradingView. I've uploaded 2 videos so far about TradingView and its components and how to do analysis from TradingView. So this time we are going to talk about another tool that we use generally in cryptocurrency market, which is called as CoinMarketCal. And in short, or we can say also known as, or you can term it as cryptocurrency calendar. If you try to understand the concept by the name, it's clear that it's a kind of calendar that reminds you of the events and everything. So CoinMarketCal is cryptocurrency calendar that tells you about the events that are ahead in the market, that are about to come. You can participate, you can understand and everything. For instance, these are ads run by them. Let's talk about look at this. Significant event is Kava 11 launch. You can open it separately and study in detail now what is going to happen with Kava. And if you look at the chart, first read the event update. Kava 11 mainnet moved early October to accommodate for multi-tier 1 protocol deployment. So this is the news, actual news. And if we come to the chart, here are other upcoming events are related to Kava, every detail. And if you come to the chart, you can see there are a lot of events happened earlier, and it will recall all of them. You can get the knowledge of recent events, you can get the knowledge of old events, every single event. You can find everything here. And not only Kava, let's go to a different one. Come to Bioeconomy listing. The God Gang is listing Bioeconomy. It's already happened today, 1st October, 11 a.m. 11 UTC. GGT to USDT pair. This was the listing update. Okay, so the one more thing is you can find the proof of the news here. It will update that either if the news is confirmed or not. Look at this. Bioeconomy Global have tweeted about it. New listing GGT God Gang. Okay, Bioeconomy listing God Gang. It was shared on 29th September. That the date is 1st October. Okay, and here is something a more thing. You can see the confidence level on validation of a news. People or community votes here if the event is real or it's fake. You can click on real and you can vote. 12 votes and 73% confidence. Come to the main page again. We can find more here. Theta testnet launch and all. Now here we have some filters too. You can apply some quick filters. Top 100 coin, news about top 100 coins, news about top 300 coins, news about top 500 coins. Whatever you want to open, you can open it from here. You can find specific keywords. Here are past events. Here we have highlights. Open past events. Live UTBA from trial TRL. Okay, Bitsy coin, Hobby Global listing. This was the significant when it was about to come. Okay, so you can come to know about all crypto events that are on the way, and how it will help. It will help us to get prepared and to get maximum profit out from a specific coin or whatever you are following. You can come to CoinMarketCal. You can check for events, and if you have a significant news of any event, you can trade accordingly. If you have a negative news, you can trade accordingly, and it can go short or sell your coin. And if you get a positive news, you can buy the coin, or you can long the coin, and you can get profits from it. It's actually a part of fundamental analysis along with technicals. We use TradingView for technical analysis, and here is CoinMarketCal. There are other tools, but this CoinMarketCal is used among the fundamental tools. So I hope this video helps you out. We'll be right back with another video. Until then, goodbye, take care.